Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maud and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you about a remarkable woman who has made an indelible mark on the fashion world. Catherine, the Duchess of Cambridge, commonly known as the Kate Middleton, has been a style icon for over a decade. From the moment she stepped into the royal spotlight, Cat fashion choices has captivated audience worldwide. Her effortless elegance, classic sensibility, and modern twists have influenced countless women. Cat's fashion journey began long before her royal days. As a university student, she shows her personal style, often wearing high street brands like Topshop and Zara. After marrying Prince William, Cat's fashion profile soared. She cleverly balanced high-end designers wear with affordable, classable choices. Her rises dress for the official engagements, photo shoots sold out with hordes. So my beautiful viewers, Sarah Burton's stunning Alexander McQueen design cemented Cat's status as a fashion icon. And Cat's style outfits during the 2011 tour shows her ability to blend high fashion with participatory. Her vibrant red dresses and heels at the 2020 Olympics demonstrated her playful side. Cat's fashion choices during tours to Australia, New Zealand, and India highlighted her cultural sensibility and sporting UK designers contributing to the country's fashion economy. In inclusion, Cat Middleton's fashion life is a testament to her poise, compassion, and dedication to empowering women. As a style icon, she continues to inspire and influence fashion enthusiasts worldwide. Cat Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, Berkshire, England. She grew up in a middle-class family with parents Michael and Carla Middleton. Cat attended St Andrews School in Berkshire and later Melbourne College. Cat studied art history at University of St Andrews in Scotland. It was there she met Prince William and they began dating in 2003. After graduating, Cat worked briefly as an accessory buyer for JAXA Jr. Cat and Prince William relationship became public in 2004. The couple got engaged in November 2010 with Prince William proposing with his mother engagement rings. Cat married Prince William on April 29, 2011 at Westminster Abbey. She became the Duchess of Cambridge and undertook royal duties. Cat's fashion sense has been influential, blending high-end high street brands. Her wedding gown, designed by Sarah Burton for Alexander McQueen, was a masterpiece. Cat's style emphasized timeless elegance, classic styles, and subtle accessories. She often repeats outfits sporting sustainable fashion. Cat frequently wear affordable brands like Zara, Topshop, and Rises. Her rise dress for the official engagement photo shoot sold out quickly. Cat often wear designs by Alexander McQueen, Jenny Pickham, and Emilia Vick. She has also spotted emerging British designers. And Cat uses fashion to promote culture, exchange, and understanding during world tours. Her outfits often incorporate local designers and traditional outfits. Cat supports various charities, including children's mental health and arts organizations. She has used fashion to raise awareness for these cases. Cat has 3 children, Prince George, Prince Charlotte, and Prince Louis. She balances royal duties with family life. Cat prioritizes fitness, enjoying outdoor activities like hiking and sailing. She has also promoted mental health awareness. Cat's popularity stems from her reliability, kindness, and dedication to royal duties. She has become a beloved figure in British public life. Cat fashion influence extends beyond the royal family. She inspires women worldwide with her confidence, elegance, and compassion. Cat Middleton's royal evolution timeline. Her favorite designers and brands. Would you like me to provide these more information on the charity cases? So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video so far. If you like this video, please share this video with your family and friends And please tell me in comment box what would you like to see next. As the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate undertaken various royal duties including charity work, official visits and engagements. Kate has 3 children with Prince William, Prince George, born in 2013, Princess Charlotte, born in 2015, and Princess Louise, born in 2018. Kate supports various charitable cases including children's welfare, mental health, and arts education. Kate has become a prominent figure in British public life, known for her fashion sense, poise, and dedication to her royal duties. Kate has faced scrutiny and criticism, including paparazzi attention, media scrutiny, and public expectation. Kate is known for her down-to-earth personality, love of sport, and close relationship with her family. So join us as we explore the fascinating life of Princess Kate Middleton from her humble beginnings to her fairy tale marriage to Prince William. In this video, we will dive into Kate's early life, including her childhood in Berkshire, her education, and her university days where she met her future husband. We will also take a closer look at Kate's journey to becoming the Duchess of Cambridge, including her engagements with exclusive footage, rare photo, and expert insight. This video is a must-watch for anyone fascinated by the British royal family and the inspiring story of Princess Kate Middleton. So my beautiful viewers, get ready for a royal treat. In this video, we are showcasing the stunning outfits of Princess Catherine, the Duchess of Cambridge, as well as her beautiful love story with Prince William. From her iconic wedding dresses to her chic everyday looks, we will take a closer look at Kate's fashion evolution and her most memorable style moments. But that's not all, we will also dive into her heartwarming love story of Kate and William, from their university days to their fairy tale wedding and beyond. With exclusive footage, rare photo, and expert insight, this video is a must-watch for anyone who loves the British royal family and the inspiring story of Princess Catherine and Princess William. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more royal content. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, join us as we celebrate the timeless beauty and style Princess Kate Middleton in this video. So in this video, we will showcase Kate's most stunning outfits, from red carpet gowns to chic everyday looks, and explore what makes her one of the most beautiful women in the world. From her flawless skin and radiant smile to her effortless elegance and poise, we will examine the qualities that make Kate a true beauty icon. We will also dive into her fashion choices, highlighting her favorite designer styles and trends, and how she uses her platform to promote British fashion and support emerging designers. That's a wrap on Princess Kate Middleton fashion life. She's a true style icon and we can't get enough of her stunning outfits and accessories. From her signature bouncy to her elegant updots, Kate's hair always looks effortlessly chic. But what's behind her hair secrets? We are exploring her favorite hairstyle, hair care routine, and product must-have to help you recreate her royal looks at home. So whether you are looking for everyday hair inspiration or special occasion, style Kate's hair is the perfect muse. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Princess Kate Middleton's beautiful hair. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial and inspiration. Hit the notification bell for new videos alerts. Share your favorite Kate Middleton hair moments in the comments below. So get ready to be inspired by the Duchess of Cambridge's gorgeous look. In this video, we are diving into the Princess Middleton's stunning hairstyle and sharing her top tips for achieving beautiful, healthy looking hair. From her signature bouncy to her elegant updots, Kate hair always look effortless chic. Whether you are looking for everyday hair inspiration or a special occasion style, Kate's hair is a perfect muse. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Princess Kate Middleton's beautiful hair. So my beautiful viewer, from her university days to royal engagements, how her hair has changed over the years. Iconic hairstyles that made headlines, Kate's morning and nighttime hair routine, her favorite shampoos and conditioner. We also now going to talking about tips for achieving healthy shiny hair, Kate's go-to hair products for styling and finishing, her favorite hair tools and accessories. We also now talking about how use them to recreate her looks, step by step guide to achieving Kate's signature Tips for adding volume and texture. How to finish with a sleek polished look. Cat's more stunning outdoor looks. Tips for creating her elegant style. How to add your own personal touches. Now we are going to talking about wedding hair inspiration. Cat's iconic wedding day hairstyle. Tips for achieving a romantic effortless look. How to incorporate personal touches into your wedding hair. Now we are going to talking about red carpet hair. Cat's most memorable red carpet hairstyle. Tips for achieving glamorous high goals hair. How to make a statement with hairstyle. Everyday hair inspiration. Now let's talk about hair everyday inspiration. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Cat casual everyday hairstyle tips for achieving easy effortless hair. How to add a touch of royal style to your daily look. Now we are going to talking about hair tips and tricks of Cat's middle tone. Princess Cat top tips of healthy beautiful hair. How to overcome common hair struggles. Tips for adding volume, texture and shine. So in the depth reviews of Cat's favorite hair products, how they perform and whether they are worth the hype. Alternative option for different budgets and hair. Now we are talking about my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. I am so glad you are enjoying this video so far. So let's dive deeper into the Cat's hair and makeup secrets, from her go-to stylish to her favorite product. I will be sharing it all and how you know to recreate her iconic looks at home. My goal is to inspire you with Cat's beauty choices. So if you want to know about more of Cat Middleton, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. From her early days as a commoner to her current role as the Duchess of Cambridge, we will dive into her fashion evolution, role life and biography. Let's get started. Cat Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, England. She grew up in a loving family and excelled in sports and academic. Before marrying Prince William, Cat worked as an accessory buyer and later as a photographer. She met William at St Andrews University in Scotland. Cat's fashion sense has transformed over the years. From casual university days to elegant royal appearance, she became a royal icon. As the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate supports her husband and undertakes various royal duties. She is also a devoted mother of their 3 children. From her stunning wedding gowns to her bold red carpet looks, Kate's outfits are always highly anticipated. That's the story of Kate Middleton, a true rags to royalty tale. Her fashion sense, role life and dedication to her family make her a beloved figure worldwide. Thanks for watching this video. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, she was born in 9 January 1982 in Reading, England. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I want to tell you about my YouTube channel. I wanted to take a moment to talk you to all about something important. First, I want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for subscribing and watching my videos. It means the world to me. However, I want to be honest with you, creating content every day, it's incredibly challenging. It takes a lot of time, efforts and resources. That's why I need your support. If you enjoy my content, please consider watching all my videos, liking and commenting on them, sharing them with your friends and family, and subscribing to my channel if you have not already yet. With your support, I can continue creating high quality content for you. I have some exciting plans and collaboration coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks again for listening and I look forward to your continued support. Let's grow this channel together. So my beautiful viewers, before becoming a royal cat style while already turning heads, she favored classic time-lapse pieces with a touch of bohemian flair. As a royal cat's fashion choices are synchronized worldwide. She is rising to the challenge, becoming a global fashion icon. Cat's daytime style is effortlessly chic. She often wears British designers and high street brands, making fashion accessible to all. So when it comes to evening events, Cat dazzles in glamorous gowns. She is a master of subtle yet striking fashion choices. Cat's accessories are always on point, from her trusty LK Bennett heels to her elegant fascinators. She knows how to complete an outfit. As a royal cat's life is one of luxurious. She attends exclusive events, wears bespoke designer pieces and enjoys the finest things in life. Cat draws inspiration from fashion icons past and present.
She is often compared to Princess Diana for her classic elegant style. That's a wrap on Princess Kate Middleton fashion life. She's a true style icon and we can't get enough of her stunning outfits and accessories. Thanks again for watching. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and what type of video do you like in future. So Kate often turns to trust designers for her royal engagements. Alexander McQueen and Jenny Pickham are two of her go-to labels. Kate's not afraid to mix high-end with high-street fashion. She is often spotted wearing affordable brands like Zara and Topshop. Kate's hat game is strong, from elegant fascinators to statement hats. She knows how to top off an outfit. Kate's jewelry collection is inviolable. She often wears pieces from the royal collection as well as modern designs. Kate's shoes are always on point. From sleek style totes to comfortable wedges, she has a pair for every occasion. Kate's handbag collection is impressive. She favored classic design from brands like Mulberry and LK Bennett. Kate's outfit is always stylish. She often wears tailored coats and jackets from British designers. During her pregnancies, Kate's style remained effortless. She often wears flowing dresses and comfortable coats. Kate's sporty style is relaxed yet style. She often wears athletic wear from brands like Nike and Adidas. When representing the UK abroad, Kate's fashion choices are diplomatic and thoughtful. She often wears local designers or incorporates cultural elements. Like any fashion icons, Kate faced criticism from accusation from being too safe to wearing too much. McQueen, she is navigated it all. Kate's style is timeless. She avoids trendy pieces, opting from classic designs that stand the test of times. Kate's fashion influence extends beyond the royal family. She inspired countless women to find their own personal style. Kate's fashion legacy will be one of the elegance, sophistication, and approachability. She redefined royal fashion for the modern era. Kate's fashion choices are carefully considered. Her team of stylists and advisors help her create looks that are both stylish and diplomatic. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. So I will see you in the next video.